here in Watauga, Texas at Chef Point Cafe. I just gotta check this out.
Lamb chops is ready.
Here, we've got chicken Alfredo for you.
It's the best gas station I've ever eaten at.
Duck à l'orange.
Where they're serving duck and escargot, even fresh seafood cioppino.
The first thing was wow when I took the first bite.
The menu was incredible.
Black and stuffed pork chop and chicken scampi, shepherd's pie. Ribeye, medium rare.
It took us 10 minutes to decide what we wanted to eat.
This gas station is the spot.
And it's not because they're selling cheap gas, it's because of the great food.
All right.
All served up by Franton Waeze and his wife,
The
Paula.
cioppino soup for you, sir.
They have a unique story.
That started more than 30 years ago when Franton moved from Nigeria,
The first lamb is medium well.
then met and married Paula, and then they tried to open a restaurant.
This is to go.
But the bank wouldn't let them.
They didn't want to give a loan to somebody who doesn't have any experience in the restaurant, but they would give us a loan for a gas station, so we said, okay, we'll take it.
And figured they better sell more than just beef jerky.
The duck à l'orange. Actually, my first time to have duck à l'orange, and it's amazing.
I have my own way of cooking duck because everybody complain about duck being greasy. Twist the wings so it doesn't sit on the fat when you're cooking the duck.
Trust the legs,
Just poke holes into it. You bleed the fats out of it.
like duck acupuncture.
Now we're gonna season it with garlic, onion, pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper.
So how long will this go for? What temperature?
350 for 1 hour. Get the skin crispy. It's gonna melt the fat on the bottom of the skin. And poke it more and cook it for about 1 more hour.
So we're roasted and we're warm. Now what are we gonna do?
Now we're gonna debone the duck.
Oh, that bad boy's really rendered down. Look at that. I love how the legs just come right out. You're able to break it off of the bone and have that in one piece of duck with no bones in it. Impressive.
Thank you.
At a gas station, remarkable.
Amen.
Now for the orange sauce, fresh squeezed orange juice.
Add our garlic powder, onion powder.
That's a lot of sauce.
We have a lot of duck.
We have a lot of duck. Some black peppercorns.
Brown sugar, onion flake. Then we're gonna thicken it up with cornstarch.
Now how much longer will we let this simmer?
2 to 5 minutes.
And that's the orange sauce.
I'm gonna add my garlic butter, pico de gallo, and a little bit of orange sauce in it.
And it's just gonna soak that up.
Fresh basil and parsley in it, ready for the pasta.
Wow.
And voila, with a little Parmesan cheese.
Ah, it's tender. It's great, man. I mean, just falls off the bone. Really, really good. You offer this once a month?
Once a month.
Want to get on that mailing list.
It's really juicy.
Seasoned to perfection. It's excellent.